Hi guys, it's Scott. Today I'm here to introduce you the powerful chainsaw WG303E. This is the chainsaw provides start installing with powerful and consistent performance for most residential yard walls projects. With the turn of a knob, the patented automatic two-phase chain tensioning system delivers optimum tension during operation.
What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section.
Welcome to unboxing section. The first is the corded chainsaw, and we have also included the lubrication oil for the chain. And last, we have also the product manual and warranty card for this machine.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment at below and see you in next video.